The best 5 affiliate marketing books, you can get for free at least 2 of them, as audiobooks, at audible.com in their free trial for 1 month. All details in description below. Finding good information about affiliate marketing is hard. This book is different. You're going to learn the things that last, regardless of the environment or state of the economy. Everything in this book will be as relevant in 20 years as it is today. If you want to truly find lasting success with affiliate marketing, you need to read Evergreen Affiliate Marketing. These pages contain everything you need to start an online business in the affiliate marketing, internet marketing, blogging, and e-commerce industries, using less than $100. It doesn't matter if you're brand new to this or if you've tried for years without seeing success. If you can bring yourself to trust a ginger millennial as your guide, difficult, I know, you'll be on your way to first-time success in online business the moment you begin reading. Affiliate marketing is your route to earning some serious bucks. Thousands of companies both large and small like Amazon, Sears, Best Buy, Overstock, Lowe's, Priceline and others have programs so you can profit from the thousands of products they offer. Affiliate marketing is ideal for bloggers looking to monetize their work. This is a multi-billion-dollar market, and there are 10+ million people involved in the biz worldwide. There's always room for more because the opportunity keeps growing as more and more companies offer affiliate programs. Affiliate Marketing for Dummies shows you how to get a slice of the pie. Your message has the ability to change someone's life. The impact that the right message can have on someone at the right time in their life is immeasurable. Your message could help to save marriages, repair families, change someone's health, grow a company, or more. But only if you know how to get it into the hands of the people whose lives you have been called to change. Expert Secrets will help you find your voice and give you the confidence to become a leader. Expert Secrets will show you how to build a movement of people whose lives you can change. Expert Secrets will teach you how to make this calling a career. Master the evergreen traffic strategies to fill your website and funnels with your dream customers in this timeless work from the $100 million entrepreneur and co-founder of the software company ClickFunnels. The biggest problem that most entrepreneurs have isn't creating an amazing product or service, it's getting their future customers to discover that they even exist. Every year, tens of thousands of businesses start and fail because the entrepreneurs don't understand this one essential skill, the art and science of getting traffic, or people, to find you. And that is a tragedy.